We're here today at Cobb County Fire Station number 17 to give you some tips on how to prevent your sprinkler systems from freezing up in this cold weather. If you've got a sprinkler system, it's about ready to get cold in Georgia. We've got a couple tips for you to help prevent your sprinkler system from freezing and causing damage. Number one, make sure your heater's turned on and functioning. Number two, make sure the door to your riser room closes and is sealed up so you don't get any air infiltration from the outside. Tip number three, if you've got a dry sprinkler system in your building, make sure your auxiliary drains have been drained. Water condensate can build up in these and cause them to break in freezing temperatures. All right, to drain your auxiliary drain, the top valve is normally open and the bottom valve is normally closed. We never want both valves open at the same time because that will trip your dry system and cause water to go into the pipes. So step one, close the top drain. When the top drain is closed good and tight, step two, open the bottom drain. You may hear some air movement or you may hear a little water trickling out through the drain. Be patient and let it drain for a few moments. When you're ready to reset it, close the bottom valve. Make sure it's fully closed, and then open the top valve very slowly. You likely will hear some air movement, and that's normal. But by opening it slowly, we ensure that we don't trip the dry system. Once the valve is fully open, the system is set and ready to go, and you've drained the auxiliary drain. There may be multiple auxiliary drains in your building, so make sure you find those ahead of time and be prepared to drain each one of them. This should be done every fall and anytime just prior to freezing weather so that you prevent freeze-ups in your system.